Projects of bachelor's degree program. Generally, in bachelor's degree program, we find the projects in certain application-oriented courses. So, in AMT and AHE, these are the two courses of application-oriented courses which have the project component. And these two courses are of 8 credits each. And within the 8 credits, there is a division. That is, 6 credits goes to the theory and 2 credits goes to the project. So, the project of these courses is compulsory and students have to complete both these theory and project components in order to successfully complete this application oriented courses. And these application oriented courses are optional to the students and they can choose at their own discretion. And there will be no supervisor for these projects. However, you can take any assistance of the concerned academic counselors, and if you can attend, the study center can conduct 1 or 2 counseling sessions for you to guide how to go ahead with the project. So you can take the help of the study center in doing the project work for the application oriented course. This 2 credit project is a compulsory component as already I know, and the project guide is applied to the students as a number of suggested project topics. You know very well that a project guide is also delivered to the students along with the study material of these courses. Along with the AHE1 study material, you will get the project guide, as well as for AMT1 also along with the study material, you will get the project guide, and that will be supplied. And you can find some suggestions regarding the project topics so that the work of the student will be easier. They can easily choose any of these topics and go ahead with the project. And the project courses are offered in the 3rd year. Generally, the application oriented courses are offered only in the 3rd year of the graduation. So students have to take enough care to complete within that year. And it means they have to start the project work immediately after registration into the 3rd year bachelor's degree. And they have to send 1 copy of the project. They have to send only 1 copy of the project to the university, and 1 more copy also they can make and retain with them for their future references and for proof. Also, we always suggest the students to uh, keep the postal receipt of the uh, dispatch of the project to the university. Whenever they send the project to the university by post, please retain the copy of the postal receipt so that it will work as a proof that you have submitted the project because it is reaching Delhi. So whenever there arises any problem regarding the declaration of results, we can ask the university authorities by showing the acknowledgement or the postal receipt. So you please retain a copy of completed project as well as the dispatched postal receipt. And where to students have to submit the project to the Registrar Student Evaluation Division, IGNOU Maidangadi, New Delhi. And the date for project submission are so like this: 1st June to 30th November for the December TE, and 1st December to 31st May for those who are appearing for June term and examination.